Hey guys, it's Max. I'm back to YouTube with some more great how-to mechanics videos. These ones are not about motorcycles anymore. These ones are going to be on outboard marine motors. I switched to outboards about 2 years ago, and in that time I fixed about 150 outboard motors. So that's pretty cool. I started getting them from my dad, and then recently I branched out and started picking them up locally here and selling them locally, and it's been really good for us. So I hope you guys like the videos. Should have some good videos coming out this fall about all different kinds of things. So why don't we take a look at some of the motors that I have going right now. We got old motors from the 70s that run great. This motor's not even a year old and it was sunk and seized. Yuck. We got 2 strokes, we got 4 strokes, we got fuel injection, we got carburetors, we got tiny little ones, and we got great big ones. So as you can see, we got lots to learn about. I might throw a couple motorcycles in there here and there, but this is my life now. So stay tuned if you guys want to learn about outboard motors, how they work, how to fix them, how to buy and sell them, etc. Take care.